If your brand looks cheap, it's not because of the logo. It's because you have skipped something more important, that is strategy. And today, I'll show you why 90% of brands fail visually and how to fix it. Hello, my name is Qasimbazaz. I'm a strategic brand designer based in Kashmir. I help businesses to build brands that don't just look good but feels premium and intentional. And after working on multiple identity projects, I have noticed one big pattern. Most brands are designed but not built. Client want a logo. Designer makes something trendy. Colors are random. No positioning, no story. And then they wonder why it doesn't attract serious customers. Because branding is not decoration, it's direction. Cheap brands don't look cheap because of budget. They look cheap because of lack of clarity. No clear positioning. No strategic color philosophy. No visual consistency. Define position. Ask them who is your audience? What are your price range? What emotions should people feel? Build visual language. 2 to 3 colors, one primary font, one secondary font, clear spacing system. Design with purpose. Every design discussion should answer why. Being based in Kashmir, I have seen many businesses with huge potential but weak branding. The difference between a local shop and a brand is not about money, it's clarity. If you are serious about building something powerful in 2026, let's build it right way. Comment below what businesses are you building, and I might break down your brand in my next video. Subscribe if you want strategy, not just design.